Well, I was saying, I say Ghana transfer window no ebie. Currently as we speak, betum a 15th of January 2024. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko confirm players miensa official contacts akoso. As our players miensa no, likely, and I say it is almost done. Say omo back Kumasi Asante Kotoko players miensa no. Apparently, medical de omo. Hunsem abro in the past videos, but for now no confirmation abano na wasi sim na yisim ye. Yes, patro unsubscribe ya wadaroma no hit the rest subscribe button na wabadoma no so no wabo notification bell no na ya build the house no together. Aha you super 24 TV. Yes, aha you super 24 TV. Yeti ni channel so betima follow social media handle no so Facebook super 24 TV and at Twitter Kumasi Blogman, Instagram ye Kumasi Blogman, follow ye na ye di kasubum. But before somebody Kumasi Asante Kotoko stories no, ebe go ama no. Me say magudi emu nsem no ye di gigi ani. Yes, ye di gigi ani. Di hia e wo wiase ene the hereafter utumfo nyankopon asem entitem bia na ho behia say ye de light no ebe ma ye ho na ye hunu kwan no na ya nante so. Because a very important. Until 20th of December 2023, yemfa message we as a light for our path, and sana you moving into the stories. Now today's message for a light for our path. If you are entering any room and you are being denied access, never force yourself to enter that particular door. If you are entering any room and you are being denied access at the door, never force yourself to enter. Asemwe a self-explanatory. Sa ura dan bie mu na dan na ura mu na pono ho no ye force so se ma unrem ye se ma unrem ye se ma unrem amenua em force ho se ubewrem sa ura pono bim na sa dan kro no nipa gina pono no ye se ma unrem ye se ma unrem menua em force ho se ubewura sa dan no. The best you can do is unhu sa sin na just walk away. Kotena baby. Now at the right time, no, obeko baby, am ye be a punama. No wurem. Never force yourself to enter a room and answer a door. Upeso wurem na ye force so say ye ma wurem ni pejina ho denial. No, walk away at the right time. Maybe some kofona na omo force say omo ma wurem no. Ombe be puno na ma. Say, bia ma say, yes, wo na wo ye twen so be ba be wuram. Otumfo nyankopon ema ye ntiase. So this is the message for our light for our path for today, 20th of December 2023. Yemfa message we na yemfa mbu ekotukum na yemfa nante. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So far, Abdul Safiu, Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC no ene nya contact officially confirmed on 5th of January. Abdul Fatawu Safiu Ghana. The likelihood is that Oba no abe sign ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko no ne Kotoko abo season ya ake or your striker yenyina nim Abdul Fatawu Safiu. The second one official contact echo. Onono is likely to be the first signing. Even though Onono is second contact, but it's likely to be the first signing because Onono Ghana here. Yes, which is Kotei Emmanuel Asama Kaino. Unsu atremano. And also official contact soon. Right now it is left with Kumasi Asante Kotoko Unsu atremano. Sanyoma got expedited. So if things are able to be done in an expedited manner, Obeba Kumasi Asante Kotoko before the year even closes. That's information yensa eka. Now, the third one, Abdul Karim Rashid. Abdul Karim Rashid. Obeka send me a video about say Kumasi Asante Kotoko signed national team player. Nasa Abdul Karim Rashid recently no ne Bechem United contract ebe na se say no free agent. And also official contact esu even before the year ends or also likely say obe join it and I say early next year or no the free agent into I can the personal terms and omo he ono na ogum ene ni ko hia national team side, which is the local B, the national Black Stars B, and na ogum ni ko hu no Bechem United player, ex-player emphasize this season wabobia but 5th of December and the contract so far these are the 3 players likely to join anymore from confirmation from Kumasi Asante Kotoko say how many players we adding komo. There are more players behind the scenes and also obviously reporting in them, but official confirmation in Yamba into being can wasem. But as I saw the media kasubu makubium ewofiase unsubscribe ya wadama no hit the rest subscribe atem na wabado man so information we say to why the bro on Super 24 TV the blog ban we medjuma we do see a bebre me call